Governorship candidate of the African Democratic Congress (ADC), Nafiu Bala, is contesting the eligibility of Manasseh Jatto, who is Governor Inuwa Yahaya's deputy. When the appeal was called on Thursday, the five-member Apex Court panel, headed by Justice Kudirat Kekereekun, said the appeal borders on qualification and going by precedent, it will fall flat. The court thereby hinted that the appeal was dead on arrival, more so that the vote scored by the ADC candidate was too low to warrant the nullification of the governorship election in his favor.
I don't have any option. Instead, after what my counsel is, any decision counsel is taking, I am welcoming them. Already I filed a case before the tribunal up to this Supreme Court. I want to thank God.
They asked the number of votes my client had at the trial, at the elections, and we stated that. They asked some other questions and we answered, without prejudice to the fact that that's actually not the grounds for the bringing the petition, but because of the policy nature of this court, we're all bound to observe and respect that policy.
On the appeal of Jibrin Barde, PDP's governorship candidate challenging the outcome of the Gombe governorship election, the Supreme Court has fixed Friday 19 January for judgment after parties adopted their briefs of argument.
The matter came up today. Parties have adopted their briefs. The appellants urged the Supreme Court to allow the appeal and grant their reliefs, while the respondents argued otherwise. So the court has reserved the judgment till tomorrow because the appeal will expire on 21st January 2024, which is a Sunday.
Meanwhile, in the Kaduna governorship election, the Supreme Court has reserved judgment on the appeal by Isa Ashiru, governorship candidate of the PDP, challenging the victory of Governor Uba Sani of the APC. Ashiru is urging the Apex Court to dismiss the appeal court decision which in November affirmed the election of Uba Sani as governor.
We have been able to provide facts backed by laws to the wise men in the Supreme Court, and we expect to get a very good favorable judgment in time to come.
I'm not aware of when Supreme Court said it will be difficult to overturn, but in our own case, we have presented enough facts and the law to warrant a reconsideration and a reversal of the decision of the appellate court. And we believe that hopefully we'll have a favorable outcome and a good day.
He's very confident. What really transpired last Friday is enough evidence for one to know that the appellate court will do justice to our case. And I'm confident that they will do justice to our case.
Meanwhile, there are indications that the Supreme Court will decide governorship appeals on Nasarawa, Ogun and Delta states, among others, on Friday. Godfrey Eshemoge, Arise News.